Hi, I'm Curtis Bartis and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make an extra little bit of money for doing something you're already doing. So today's video is going to go about Brave browser. So if you're new to the channel, please do me the honor by subscribing. It takes you really about 3 seconds to do so, clicking the red button and also leaving a like on today's video. So if you find that making a little bit more money is interesting, make sure to subscribe. So today we're gonna go over Brave browser. So Brave browser is a free and open source web browser developed by Brave Software Inc. based on the Chrome web browser. So it's based off the Chrome web browser. It blocks ads and website trackers and provides a way for users to send cryptocurrency contribution in the form of basic attention token. So basic attention token is also a cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. So the way you're gonna make money on Brave browser is through their program Brave Rewards. So let's just see how Brave Rewards work. So get rewarded for browsing and support your favorite content creators. Your attention is valuable, of course. Like you're watching this video, your attention is valuable. Earn by viewing privacy respected ads and pay for to support content creators you love. With your old browser, you pay the browser to web by viewing ads with your valuable attention. You spend your valuable time downloading invasive and technology that transmitted your privacy data to advertisers without your consent. So that is very important. Today, Brave welcomes you the new internet. One where your time is valued. Your personal data is kept private and you actually get rewarded for your attention. So what is happening with Brave is they give you ads and you get paid for it, wherein Chrome is where they get ads and Google gets paid for viewing ads. So that is where Brave is different compared to other browsers. You get paid for viewing ads and it has a little more security on its side. So for way to activate your Brave rewards is, like I said, here's an ad right now. I get paid for viewing that ad. Once you go into a new tab, you will see, yes, once you install Brave, here's the link will be down in the description. So once you install Brave, there will be activate rewards. You'll say activate and that's all you need to do. You're gonna have to create an Uphold account, but that takes you also about 5 to 4 minutes to just do the activation of that account. Straightforward also. You'll see the Brave rewards on the right here, activate. So once you activate it, you're gonna go to Brave Rewards. This is where you see your Brave Rewards. You're gonna have ads on your left side. You're gonna see the amount of ads. You'll see you want to see the maximum amount of ads per hour to increase your revenue. And you have auto contribution. We'll get to this part now. At the bottom you got tips. We also get to that part at the bottom. But see, the ads will be popped like I showed here at the bottom of the screen. You'll get paid for viewing that ad every time you click on the ad or watch YouTube videos, or the more you use Brave browser, the more you get paid. So the more devices you have, the increase your chances of making more money. So you can make up to about $50 to $100 depending on your devices. So I have Brave browser on about 5 to 6 devices. I have it on my phone, both my phones and both my laptops. You can increase your chances of making more money on Brave. How Brave, like I already said, how Brave works, you'll view an ad. So there's another way of making money on Brave, through the Brave Creator. By signing up to be a creator, you can get an extra income. For example, like I see here, I have a Brave Creator account. Someone already donated 4 BAT. So like if you have a YouTube channel, a Twitter, a Twitch channel, anything, you can ask your supporters to donate. For example, here's my YouTube page, and say someone wanna donate me, for example, send a tip. They'll send me 1 BAT of what they have earned. So that's also another way of making money on the basic attention token. So You can see here's the tip, and then also, like I said, on this device I have made, for example, rewards. Go to the home. Let's just go to the home quickly. Not so much. You can see I've made 0.70 USD, but on this device, this is my work computer. For example, on my phone I've made about, for this, remember this is for this month, on my phone I've made about $4 on my phone alone. So this doesn't include the other devices. So, and on the, what do you call it, on the other one I have made also about $1. So the more devices you have, the more you can make using Brave browser. So that is it. So I hope you find value in today's video. Like I said, the more devices you have, the more you can make with Brave browser. It's more secure. It pays you for browsing instead of where the other browser you're doing exactly the same thing without getting paid. So take it to heart. So until next time, peace out.